Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp could not start. Please restart your iPhone if problem is continuous. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone, so guys, when you have open your WhatsApp and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, after a few seconds, if not fix your problem, then guys you need to check your internet connection. So guys, maybe your internet connection is too weak. So guys, simply you need to click on settings, and guys you need to connect strong internet connection with your iPhone. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys you need to click on iPhone storage. And guys, from here you need to check your iPhone storage. So guys, maybe your RAM of your iPhone is too full. So guys, you need to check your storage. So guys, if your storage is full, then guys you need to delete some data, unused that data that you are not using in your iPhone. After clear some data, your RAM will be easy, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to click on WhatsApp, and guys you need to offload your app. So guys, simply you need to click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys, after doing these things, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.